Hello guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Today in this video we will see how to enable night mode option while taking photos on your iPhone. Sometimes you must have noticed whenever you are taking photos, that time the night mode appears automatically and sometimes it doesn't. So guys, it is simple solution here, or simple meaning that night mode means a feature for your night cameras or night photos, right? So if you see, whenever you're taking photos in daylight, broad daylight, that option will not appear here because that is not required there. So when the night mode option comes up on your iPhone cameras, basically very simple. Whenever your camera lens senses a dark area or a dark environment, that time the night mode option comes up automatically or pops up. Here if you see, whenever I open a camera and just cover the camera lens, that time the camera lens is into a dark environment. It means that it assumes that you are into a night mode or a dark environment. That time automatically the night mode option pops up in your camera option. So there is no feature, no setting to enable night mode option on your iPhone camera all the time. So whenever there is a dark environment, only that time your night mode option will appear in your camera. So I hope this got your query solved or cleared. And if you like this video, then I request to please like the video and subscribe for amazing videos regarding iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solution. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video.